A quick tutorial on the oven and the microwave. The oven, you simply press the power button, and from here it gets relatively self-explanatory. You've got a timer, you got tools which gets you into your settings, self-clean and oven light, and then like bake, and then you simply just use your touch screen and you can choose whatever settings you want. It does have a culinary center down here. Whoop, let me go back to, yeah, culinary center. And here it will give you some guides on, let's say you want to do a prime rib roast, and you just follow the instructions and it will help you set everything up for it, and you can kind of go through. But mostly you're just going to be selecting bake and your temperature and going from there. So yeah, if you do need the temperature probe, it plugs in on the inside there, and the probe can be found hanging above in the cabinet above. When you are baking, make sure that if you put anything in the drawer below, you don't put anything that won't tolerate some heat, because it will direct some heat into that drawer. So just be aware of that. Other than that, great oven. Microwave, same thing for its controls, and yeah, self-explanatory.